Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Mumma, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Transformation Tuesday and I thought that today I would have a go at a challenge, and that is the Goth Outfit for Under £30 challenge. This was first done by the House of Wyvern, or the House of Wyvern, not quite sure how to pronounce it, and Mumma Goth, and I thought that I would have a go. But before we get to that, remember, like this video, comment down below if you want to discuss anything that comes up in the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that you can hear every time I upload. Back to the challenge. So it's a Goth Outfit for Under £30 challenge. So the rules are, spend less than £30, you're not allowed to use any Gothic websites or Gothic branded clothing, and that's it, you have to make a Goth outfit. So I actually went out and bought one specific outfit for this challenge to show you what I bought very recently. I've also thrown together 3 other outfits that are in regular rotation in my wardrobe that all came from non-Gothic websites with non-Gothic branded clothes that all came in at under £30. So the first outfit is the one that I bought specifically for this challenge. So let's look at the outfits.
All this mist that's been clouding
outfits. I really enjoyed putting them together for you. Big shout out to Mel, Thunderella 666, for recommending that belt that you saw in the first outfit. She actually did a blog post on cheap belts from reasonably priced shops. Go check it out, I've linked it down below, and it's a fantastic blog. Make sure you give it a good check out and subscribe. Also, thanks to Thunderella for recommending the Everything £5 website, where I got those awesome shoes. They're a fantastic pair of shoes for £5. I was really, really pleased. On the subject of shoes, Goth shoes can probably be the biggest hurdle when it comes to putting together a reasonably priced outfit. And remember, you don't, just because you want a statement pair of shoes, you can buy yourself a statement pair of shoes, but remember, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, get these shoes second hand. It means they're already broken in for you. You get them for a quarter of the price or even less, and you end up with a fantastic pair of shoes that really put together the whole outfit. The shoes are probably the thing that make the outfit, so they're definitely an investment piece. And if you're going to buy new, make sure you pick something that you can wear with pretty much everything, but remember that you can always get second hand. And my other tip would be shop at Halloween. Halloween is when everything is super spooky and super cheap. Places like Boohoo, Shein, H&M, New Look, Primark, they have so much cool spooky stuff and it's so cheap. I mean, after Halloween it's ridiculously cheap, but you're gambling on them still having the stuff in stock in your size. Just buy loads of stuff in October. That's when I stock up on homeware, on staple clothes, particularly like spiderweb tops and that kind of thing. You can't beat shopping at Halloween. And my final tip would be make your own. Remember, Transformation Tuesday, check out my other videos. See what you can make. You can make yourself jewellery, you can make yourself fascinators, you can make yourself tops, cool jumpers. There's a plethora of different things that you can make yourself. I'd like to thank the House of Wyvern, not sure how to pronounce it, let me know peeps, and Mumma Goth for this challenge. I've really enjoyed doing it. Do the challenge yourself. Let me know in the comments if you do it. I'd love to watch your videos on it. Like this video if you liked this. Comment below if you want to discuss anything that comes up, any of the makes, any of the outfits and how I put them together. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Remember to hit that notification bell so you can hear every time I upload. And remember people, stay heavy.
From living this life.